Welcome to our next video. We're talking about measures of central tendency. We have different measures of central tendency, like, for example, the arithmetic mean, the median, and the mode. So, talking about the median, we talk about ordinary scales. We have the median as this value, which means we have a list, first of all, an unordered list of different values whatsoever, and if we put them in order, it's the ordered list. So the unordered list becomes an ordered list, which means the values are still the same, but they're put in a different order than here. So if I put the values, if I put the sub-index into brackets, I always mean a value inside the ordered list. Meaning that we need, first of all, we need to take a look. Is n the sample size? Is it an even number or is it an odd number? Here we have 10 values. 5 here, 5 values here, so it's an even number. 10 is an even number. Which means, since n equals 10, and since 10 is an even number, median is defined as this, as the arithmetic mean of those two values. Which means we put in n equal to 10, which means we need to have the fifth value of the ordered list, since 5 is put in brackets, plus the sixth value of the ordered list, and the sum afterwards divided by 2, which means the arithmetic mean of the fifth value and the sixth value. Which is all in all, the fifth value is 3 of the ordered list, and the sixth value is 5 of the ordered list, which means 4. The median is 4. So what is the median? The median is the value in the middle of all values. And since there is only a middle if we talk about the ordered list, we first need to put the unordered list into an order and only take a look at the ordered list. To call the median, to really find the median, we need to take a look only at the ordered list. Which means 4 is inside, is in the middle of all values. So now, there is no 4. There is no value called 4. So what are we talking about? This is the problem, if I may call it this way. It doesn't necessarily exist. Median, as the arithmetic mean, is not necessarily a value that occurs in the list, ordered or unordered. So in the middle we have those values, 3 and 5, because to the left of the 3 we have 4 different values, not necessarily different, let's better say we have 4 values. To the left of the 3 we have 4 values, and to the right of the 5 we have another 4 values, not necessarily different. So therefore, those two are the values of the center, of the middle, and the arithmetic mean of those values of the middle just form the median. Here, in the case of having a sample size that is even. If the sample size is not even, if it is odd, like, for example, you put another number here, you put the number 12. All those numbers and plus the number 12, meaning the 12 would be here at the end of that list. So we would have n equal to 11, an odd number, and what's the center of 11 numbers? Sure, it would be 5 values smaller and another 5 values larger than the median, which means this number would be in the middle of 11 values. 5 values smaller, another 5 values larger than the value in the middle. So with an odd number, if the sample size is odd, it's easier to understand what the median really stands for, because it's the value in the middle. if the sample size is even, it's a bit trickier to understand, but I'm sure you'll understand it, or you already did. So that's everything you need to know about the median here as a measure of central tendency.